This is the only time that I really regret cutting my hair. Hey everyone, welcome back to the House Station, a place for all how-tos and DIYs. In today's video, I am going to show you something which is very much in trend right now. Like, I have seen many YouTubers wearing it and I've seen it on my Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, and that is this dream catcher jewelry. So this is an earring that I have made, and I really love dream catchers. I just find them so attractive, and when you can incorporate it into a jewelry, it is so very amazing. So today I'm going to show you how to make this dream catcher jewelry. So let's begin. So I have a bangle and a thread. I'll join the two ends of the thread to create a loop on the other side. I'll then place the loop under the bangle and pass the thread through. So my thread is secure without any knots. Now I'm wrapping the thread on the bangle, keeping it as close as I can, and I'll keep on doing this till the whole bangle is wrapped up. Now that both the ends have met in between, I'll tie a few knots to secure it and then cut off the excess thread. So this is what I have now. Next I'm tying another thread on the bangle. Now it's time to make the inside of the dream catcher. I've rolled up the thread together to avoid tangles. Okay, so follow the steps. Bring the thread over from inside, put it below on the outside, bring it back and pass it through the space created. I guess watching this in slow-mo will make things clear, so watch it again over here. Once I've reached the point where I started, I'll repeat the steps, except this time I will wrap the thread on the first circle of the thread instead of the bangle. I'll keep on doing this till I reach the center. And once I reach the center, I'll add 2 beads and secure them with a knot or 2 and cut the excess thread off. I'll then add a jump ring and a finding on the earring. It is now time to add all the hanging elements. So for that I have these chains and these small circles which I took off a bracelet, and I'm going to join them to the chain. So here we go. Then I have some feathers and a thread. So I'll measure the thread depending on the length that I want and cut 6 pieces. I'll divide them into 2 batches and braid them. So here are my braids. I've passed another small thread through a needle and I'll pass this on the bottom of my braid and tie the feathers with the help of this. I'll then cut the excess thread. It is now time to attach some jump rings to the hangings and then hang the hangings to the bangles. I felt it looked a bit empty, so I added 2 more feathers and that completes the Dreamcatcher earring. So that was it, guys. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching it. And talking about style, everybody has their very own personal style statement, and I'm just gonna wear this and show it to you how it looks. So here we go. So it's kind of cool, but as I was saying that everybody has their personal style statement, I feel like, you know, wearing it in one ear with your hair left open on the other side will look really cool, but you can wear it however you want to. And this is the only time that I really regret cutting my hair. I'm absolutely regretting it. I wish I had long hair so that I could put it to one side and then put the earring on the other ear, but yeah, it still looks good. And tell me like, how will you guys style your Dreamcatcher earring? If you all make it, let me know in the comments down below. If you all have enjoyed watching the video, do give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because every week I share some easy and inexpensive how-tos and DIYs. And also don't forget to follow me on the other social media: Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr, what else, Instagram, Twitter, Google Plus. I'm everywhere. So yeah, just go and follow me everywhere on the social media, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.